YouTube Vanced was the go-to app for millions of users looking to enjoy an ad-free YouTube experience without the need for a premium subscription. But with the recent news of YouTube Vanced being discontinued, users have been left scrambling for alternatives as the app ceases to work for many. In this video, we'll dive deep into what happened to YouTube Vanced, why it's not working anymore, and what can be considered to continue enjoying an YouTube experience. YouTube Vanced gained a massive following due to its ad blocking feature, granting millions of users uninterrupted video enjoyment without the need for a premium subscription. Alongside ad blocking, YouTube Vanced offered a range of customization options like a true black theme, video quality preferences that were not available in the official YouTube app for Android, and even re-enabling the remove dislike button. Over the years, it became a staple for those who wanted the premium experience without the monthly fee. However, the success of YouTube Vanced came to an abrupt halt when legal issues arose. Google issued a cease and desist letter to the developers of YouTube Vanced, leading to its discontinuation due to legal reasons. The team behind the modded app was asked to remove all references to YouTube, change the logo, and remove all links related to YouTube products. With no choice but to comply, the Vanced owners announced the project's discontinuation. As a result of its discontinuation, many YouTube Vanced users started experiencing issues with the app. Some encountered videos not loading or received frustrating error messages. While some users still found the app functioning without any issues, it became clear that the problem was specific to certain accounts or regions. Even spin-off apps like Vanced faced similar challenges, with videos abruptly stopping and buffering problems persisting. Now, let's explore the options available to navigate the YouTube Vanced dilemma. One possible workaround for existing users involved removing and re-adding the account associated with MicroG, a tool that allowed users to log into Vanced and re-Vanced with their Google accounts. Another suggestion is to create a new Google account and use it to log into Vanced. But fear not, we have also handpicked some for you to consider. For users looking for there are a few options available. NewPipe, an open-source Android app that not only blocks ads but also allows you to download YouTube videos. With additional features like background playback and audio-only mode, NewPipe is a true powerhouse. SkyTube, another open-source Android app designed to provide an YouTube experience. It offers video downloading and subscriptions without the need for a Google account. SkyTube might just be your perfect fit. These may not offer the exact same features as YouTube Vanced, but they do provide a viable option for users seeking an video watching experience. But wait, we have an exciting development for all the die-hard YouTube Vanced fans out there. Despite the discontinuation of the official YouTube Vanced project, some developers have taken it upon themselves to create an unofficial version of the app. One such project, by Kunu, released an unofficial YouTube Vanced update that seemed to work for many users without any issues. This update can be downloaded and installed from QueenNews. Users opting for this unofficial update should exercise caution when using the files and, if possible, verify the code since it is available in the repository. Root users can download the Magisk module zip file to update the older Vanced version or flash it from Magisk if they already deleted the app. Non-rooted users can download any of the 3 APK options available, altogether remove the old version, and install the new update. To avoid potential issues with the unofficial YouTube Vanced, users are advised to access the Vanced settings, navigate to the video section, and enable YouTube Vanced's discontinuation has left a void in the hearts of its users. As more people seek out alternatives and workarounds, it's clear that the demand for an YouTube experience remains high. With options like NewPipe, SkyTube, users can still enjoy their favorite videos without, but the future of third-party apps like YouTube Vanced remains uncertain. The rise and fall of YouTube Vanced serve as a cautionary tale for developers and users alike. While the app provided a much-needed solution for ad-free video watching, it ultimately succumbed to legal pressures from Google. As users move on to new alternatives, the spirit of YouTube Vanced lives on in the hearts of its loyal fanbase, serving as a reminder of the power of innovation and the challenges faced in a constantly evolving digital landscape. YouTube Vanced may be gone, but its legacy lives on. As users seek out alternatives and workarounds, it's clear that the desire for an ad-free YouTube experience is still very much alive. Whether you decide to try the unofficial YouTube Vanced update, embrace or venture into uncharted territories, remember to stay informed and cautious. As we bid farewell to YouTube Vanced, Let us celebrate the spirit of innovation and our relentless pursuit of a better user experience. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed our very first YouTube video, please consider supporting us by subscribing to our channel. Also, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you used YouTube Vanced or any of its alternatives? Which app do you prefer for an ad-free YouTube experience? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.